Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2012 Chevy Traverse in the shop, and I'm going to show you where the washer fluid tank is. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So on the driver's side, left side of the leg panel, you have an indicator right here. It's a lever, shows the hood open. Just pull on that and the hood pops open. On this Chevy, right in the center of the hood is a release cable, a release lever for the safety latch, and it's down inside the grille, not up in the hood. You're just going to pull it over to the driver's side and raise your hood up. Your washer fluid tank is located on the driver's side, and it is indicated clearly with the washer fluid squirting out on a windshield. All you got to do is pop that lid open, grab the washer fluid that you desire, and fill her up. I like just to bring it right to where the next changes the depth, right about there. Make sure you snap it down. You're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.